In 15 minutes, I wait to use Canva to create a banner for the YouTube channel. Very soon after we get experience, in 5 minutes, go into Canva, select Create a design from the upper right corner, type a YouTube banner and click it. Click to open Canva. First, we select black background from the left. Click on it. Select File from the upper left menu. Then click View Settings. Click. Draw a border in the center that is around 2050 right and 500 right as well, followed by 930 and 500 from above. Display rulers and guidance. In order to fit properly on all devices, we build upon the center. I choose text. Type the title of Vasi-Money channel, move it to the upper left and adjust the size as necessary. From the left, select Add Text Box. Yes, it is. And I post a new video under the logo each week. Add a text box, place it behind the logo and type Grow Your Audience Online. I went with a green text color from new video every week. I've now positioned an image of myself to the right of the text and resize it to fit on the left. Click Modify to include more information. I can download the banner now that it's ready. And as you can see in the photo, I posted it on my YouTube account. Kindly click the subscribe button. I hope you have success. Vasile.